Today, the largest enterprise of the Russian pharmaceutical industry is the Federal State Unitary Enterprise Scientific Production Association Microgen. The company is a leader in developing and manufacturing immunobiological medicines, diagnostics and medications. Today, Microgen numbers 7,200 people. 3 of them are academicians, 13 professors, 26 doctors and 166 candidates of sciences, 14 enterprises in 13 Russian cities, over 100 years of history, 70% of all immunobiological products manufactured in the country, own research base, more than 400 names of medicines, 50 new original products ready to enter the market, supplies to dozens of countries around the world. All of this is Microgen, State Research and Production Association, founded in 2003 with the direct participation of the Public Health Ministry and the Private Ministry. For many years, companies producing immunobiological preparations didn't have a common structure which would coordinate the production. As a result, each exacerbation or significant deterioration of the epidemiological situation led to an acute shortage of remedies. The glaring example, a sharp increase of the diphtheria sickness rate in the early 90s that led to a deficit of the corresponding preventive drugs. The new pharmaceutical holding was intended to provide a sanitary and epidemiological safety of the nation. Microgen brought together dozens of companies, significantly streamlined production costs and solved the problem of scarcity and overproduction. Today, the Scientific and Production Association Microgen is one of the leaders of the Russian pharmaceutical industry. The company constantly researches and develops promising new drugs. It cooperates actively with leading Russian and international research centers. It is involved in international research projects, including those carried out by the World Health Organization. Priority areas for development are flu vaccines, both seasonal and pre- and pandemic, vaccines for the national calendar of prophylactic immunizations, medications related to oncology and to infectious diseases. Since the very foundation, the Microgen specialists developed and put into production 18 medical immunobiological preparations. Among recently adopted products, there are such vaccines as Influvir and Pandeflu, which managed to stop the spread of pandemic influenza H1N1, better known as swine flu. In addition, now there are clinical studies of rubella vaccine, which, given the lack of Russian vaccines against this disease, is an undoubted success. Scientific Production Association Microgen strictly monitors to ensure that all medicines manufactured by holding meet Russian and international standards. The quality control departments are in every branch of the company. Production of vaccines against dangerous infectious diseases is the main activity of the company. The main, but not unique. In addition to vaccines and anatoxins, Microgen makes therapeutic and diagnostic serums against tetanus, diphtheria, gangrene, botulism A, B, E, and viper venom. Manufactures such products made out of the donor's blood as albumin, produces drugs against tick-borne encephalitis. Also in the arsenal of the holding, allergens and allergides, bacteriophages, medicinal products prepared for use, more than 40 names, probiotics and mediums, diagnostic preparations and test systems, medicinal herbs. The Microgen products are the basis of the nation's health, because the company's facility can fully provide a solution to such a strategically important task as the anti-epidemic security of the Russian population.